हेलो नमस्ते, आप कैसे हो? Are you keeping good? Wearing a big beautiful smiles on your face, right? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And if any of you have subscribed already, thank you so much for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you for your support. Made a purchase on CMR jewellery. This is a gold chain that has been purchased. I've given the WhatsApp number. There are huge collections. You can have the latest fashions. You got a bridal collection as well. You can WhatsApp them and know the details with all the pics. This gold chain is 23 grams, 1,20,000. You need not spend all the monies at once to purchase this gold chain. You've got schemes starting from 500 rupees. I'll be speaking on that schemes in the next video. This is 22 carats gold and the hallmark here certifies its purity. 22 carats gold. It's more durable than 24 carats gold. So you need not worry of the purity of gold whenever you purchase on CMR jewellery because it has got a certification and the hallmark states the purity of gold. Here you see the gold chain that has come up with the latest design from CMR jewellery. When you literally see with your naked eyes, it has got sparkling brilliance. That means it is more bright and shining compared to what you see in the picture. Therefore, the camera could not capture the brilliance of the gold chain. Keep watching and I'll come again.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked.
If any of you have come for the first time and watching here, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So how is the gold chain? Did you watch? Keep smiling. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like, share. Flying Skies One for more videos. Have a good day.